Hey, it's Tim. In today's video, I'm going to show you the value of integrating Cisco Secure Workload and Cisco ISE. ISE can share some very key information with Secure Workload. This information would include user information, SGT tags, device information, and this information can be used for policy and visibility inside the Secure Workload platform. So jumping into the Secure Workload platform, we have an inventory page. And by default, Secure Workload is going to show us what servers, what operating systems are inside of our environment, whether it's in the data center or in the cloud. But with the key integration to ISE, we can also see what users and devices live inside of our campus environment, or maybe even VPN. So I can see here I have an IoT device. It's been classified as a pump. It's been given an IoT tag. I have some Windows 10 boxes. It's been given a campus tag. We can see Craig is authenticated. Nobody trusts Craig. And then we also can see that I have an iPhone that's connected. It's been given a campus tag and Tim's authenticated. Additionally, I can see that Tim is authenticated to the SWL SSID. All this information is fair game for visibility and for policy inside the Secure Workload platform. Let's first take a look at how we can use this for visibility. So by default, Secure Workload uses big data to understand what makes up your application and automate policy to secure your apps. However, there's times when customers want to query their data set to maybe manually craft policy or for troubleshooting or incident response. So instead of going in here and plumbing in random IPs from the campus, I'm going to use a campus tag received from ISE, and I'm going to run a report to understand what users and devices from the campus are accessing production resources inside the data center or inside my cloud. So very quickly, I've pulled a nice report here that gives me that summary information that I care about, those conversations taking place from the campus to the production environment. I could use this data all for the purposes of manual policy, troubleshooting, forensics, etc. From a policy standpoint, I've built a global policy, wrapped a micro perimeter around all my production servers. I use this to reduce the attack surface, but also to control what assets from the campus have access to my production servers. So the first example here would be IoT devices. These are IoT devices that have been given a SGT or an IoT SGT from ISE. So we would say, hey, if this device has an IoT tag, let's deny its access to our production servers. And we can see that there's 3 devices in my environment that have been classified as an IoT asset. So when they try to reach the production server, the prod server would deny that communication. The next example would be based on device type. So here's an iPhone, and it has access to prod servers. However, this could be interchanged for, say, like a pump. And I could say, hey, pumps only have access to pump servers. Finally, I can use user information. And I could say only HR users or HR group of users have access to prod servers. So this integration is very, very powerful because I'm taking a telemetry set from ISE and bringing that into Secure Workload, so I can have more of a unified policy to protect my servers and workloads no matter where they live. So hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the description down below, and hope you have a great day.